Many people in the world prefer to commute using public transportations or their own cars. However, some others choose bikes for their transportations. Folding bikes are currently become a favorite choice for these people, as it is quite practical and easy to bring to their office. Polygon Urbano 5 and Urbano 3. These two bikes model from Polygon come with the latest colors and design. The brand also claimed that these two bikes also comes with improved flexibility and practicality for their users. Despite some similarities in these two bikes, Polygon Urbano 5 and Urbano 3 comes with different speed. Urbano 3 has 8-speed transmissions, while Urbano 5 has 9-speed transmissions. Element Foldx 8-speed. This bike comes with a steel frame which makes it heavier but durable and strong enough to handle any heavy tugs you throw at it. This bike comes with two color variants, gray and black red. This bike also comes with 8-speed transmissions and an alloy crank so that it produces a powerful gear ratio when pedaled. This Foldx 8-speed also comes with several features such as a strong fold magnet, alloy kickstand, spiral lock, front block, and the back on the front for sliding. Element Pikes Gen 2. This Element Pikes Gen 2 comes with almost similar design to Brompton. Not only the design, this bike also comes with almost similar color options to Brompton. This bike comes in 3 color variants, gold, dark blood, and spindle black. Whimsical Pocket Racket 20 inches 2020. This latest bike from Whimsical comes with colorful variants, along with more comfortable and stronger alloy frame. This bike is available in 4 color variants, yellow, gray, blue, and red. This bike is also equipped with a Shimano Altus SL M315HR, quick release features, 8-speed transmissions, disc brakes, and 20-inch alloy wheels. This bike weighs 12.8 kilograms in total.